In this video, I will be showing you how to create a portfolio in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by going to the search bar on the Canva homepage and typing in portfolio to explore the available templates. I'll scroll through the variety of designs until I find one that catches my eye. This vintage scrapbook style looks perfect, so I'll click on it to see the details. After checking the options, I'll click Customize this template to bring it into the editor. Once the project opens, I'll start personalizing the cover. I'll click on the existing name, delete it, and type in my own name, Jane Park. Now I want to add some unique textures to the design. I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for something like scrap. I'll select this crumpled paper graphic and place it right in the center. To make sure it doesn't hide my text, I'll go to the transparency settings and turn it down until it looks like a subtle background detail. Then I'll right-click and adjust the layer position to send it backward behind the text. Next, I'm going to build out the scrapbook aesthetic by adding more decorative elements. I'll pick out some torn paper scraps and vintage floral graphics from the Elements menu. I'll spend some time rotating these pieces and positioning them around the title to create a layered collaged effect. I'll add a grid paper clipping and some old newsprint scraps to add more variety to the corners. As I continue to refine the look, I'll bring in smaller details like butterflies, stamps, and botanical illustrations. I'm just dragging these around and resizing them to make sure the composition feels balanced. If an element covers the title, I'll simply adjust its position or transparency. I'll add a few more paper fragments and a small leaf graphic to fill in any empty spaces. Finally, I'll do a quick scan of the entire page to make sure everything is exactly where I want it. Creating a stunning portfolio is easy when you use these layering techniques to make a template your own.